Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna do 5 example solves for the 3x3 using the CFOP method. I usually average around 8 to 8.5 seconds, and let's start and see how I would solve the following scrambles. All of the scrambles are in the description of this video, and this is the first scramble. I forgot to mention that I usually start either with the white cross or the yellow cross, and I'm trying to plan the first pair, but when I do not manage to do that, I usually solve the cross a little bit slower, and while I'm solving the cross I'm trying to look after the first pair. Okay, so here I think that I will start with the white cross. I see that a piece is already here, another piece is here, another one is here, and another one is here. And for the first pair it's kind of hard to predict which will be, for me at least. And yeah, I would start with this, then with this, then I would bring this here, and then this here. And the first pair will be this corner with this edge, following by these two, because I already seen this corner and this edge here. So let's start with this one, which needs to be here. And then I'll solve these two. While I'm solving these two, I've already seen this pair that could be solved, this corner with this edge that can be brought here. It would be easier for me to do an x2 and solve them like this. In order to align them, I did this, and then I just insert them at the back. And then the last pair will be this corner with this edge that needs to be here, and I will do something like this in order to insert them in the right position. OLL and PLL a J-arm. Okay, so here we go with the second scramble. Let me take a look, because I don't know exactly what it would be better to solve. Oh, in fact, I will solve the white cross, because I already see a piece here, a piece here, a piece here, and a piece here in the back. And I will keep the cube like this, because I've already noticed this pair that would be easier to solve after finishing the cross. And I will do something like this. A D in order to bring this piece here, then an R to bring this one here, an L to bring this one here, and then I will insert this one here, and this pair will be on top. And I will do like this, finish the cross, and go with this pair. While solving this one, I already noticed this edge with this corner, and I can do like this in order to pair them and then solve them. While solving this, I've already noticed this corner and this edge that needs to be here, and I will do like this. And the last pair, which will be this edge with this corner, I bring the corner here, solve the pair, and insert it here on the back. OLL and PLL a J-arm. Okay, so this is the third scramble. I will take a look. I would go with the yellow cross this time. I have an edge here, another one here, and these two here on top. And I've already noticed this pair, and I will track it while solving the cross, because I will try to somehow keep it on the top layer in order to be easier for me to solve after finishing the cross. So first I'll solve this edge, I'll bring it here, then this one, and I will align them. Then I will do an R2 in order to bring this one here, and now I'll do a D and a U prime in order to bring this edge here on the bottom, and also to preserve this pair here on top. Then I'll do a D prime in order to finish the cross and go right with this pair. While doing this, I've already noticed this corner and this edge here at the back. There need to be pair and then inserted here. So I'll do something like this: a U, a U. Then I'll bring this edge here, and then pair them up and insert them here. Then I've noticed this corner and this edge, and I'll pair them up and then insert them at the back. And now the last pair, which is this one and needs to go here, and from this angle I would solve it like this. An OLL and PLL on F-perm. Okay, so this is the fourth scramble. Let's take a look at it. I'll go again with the yellow cross because I've already noticed these two edges here, these two here, and this pair that will need to go here. So first things first, I will do something like this in order to put these three edges in the right position. Then insert the last one in order to finish the cross, and I will go with this pair that will need to go here as I mentioned before. So I'll do the pair like this, and I've already noticed these two that needs to go here, so I'll solve them like this, pair them up and then insert them here in the back. And while doing this I've already noticed this pair, so I'll do something like this to pair them and insert them here. And the last pair, this one that needs to go here, so I'll insert it like this, OLL and PLL and A-perm. And the fifth scramble, which is also the last one, let's take a look. I would go again for yellow. It seems to be a little bit easier than white, and I've already seen these two edges, this one and this one from the cross, and maybe the yellow, red and blue pair. I noticed that this edge should be on top after finishing the cross, and maybe this one, but I'll track it while solving the cross. So I'll start with this one that needs to go here, this one that needs to go here, and then this edge and this edge. First I'll go with this one and solve the cross like this. And we already have this pair here on top, and we will start with it. I pair the pieces and then insert them here in the back. While doing this, I've already noticed this corner and this edge that needs to go here, so I'll bring them like this in front of me and insert them. While doing this, I already noticed this corner and this edge. All I have to do is to bring this edge here, so in order to avoid rotations, I brought the edge here and insert it like this. And now the last pair, which will be this corner with this edge, and I'll solve them like this. OLL and PLL another J-perm. Thank you a lot for watching me. If you enjoyed the video, you can give it a like, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching me. Bye bye.